What is up, everybody? My name is Matt here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can set up your Vive wands to look like this and be able to play with hands-free, just like a Valve Index controller. Really quickly though, only a small percentage of you guys are subscribed, so please consider hitting that subscribe button. But yeah, let's get right into the video. Now your Vive wands should look like this before you start the process. Just a strap thing here and the controller itself. So what you're going to want to do is take this strap here, take the little plastic bit for adjusting it, push it all the way down to the bottom, then flip your controller upright, take the strap, feed it through the hole in the top, and then grab it from there, reach, expand it a bit, put it over one of these little indents here, then take the little black adjuster thing and push it all the way down to the bottom so it gets nice and tight up and around that little jut out thing. Then all you have to do from there is stick your hands in and you're good. I like to do this while I'm playing Gorilla Tag because then I know that my hands aren't going to slip out if I open them a little bit. But yeah guys, that is going to be it for me. It was a pretty short video, but I hope this tip really helped you out. And yeah, see you all in the next video. Peace out.